Production machining and plant engineering company AFS has been producing and selling plasma, corona and perforation systems for the surface treatment of packaging materials for over 30 years. From initial design to the assembled finished product, these robust systems are produced in Horgau near Augsburg, Germany. AFS has over 100 employees and ranks among the market leaders in its sector. The production machining company manufactures the standard parts, including small parts and sidewalls made from aluminum and stainless steel, in its own machine production and uses Tebis CAD/CAM software for manufacturing preparation and ANSI programming.
What we find truly exciting about Tebis is the end-to-end integration from mechanical design to manufacturing and final processing. We can send the drawings directly from design to manufacturing in an integrated process with no need for extensive manual intervention. This has enabled us to make significantly better use of our potential while maintaining a high level of vertical integration. Prior to integrating the software, we participated in a Tebis workshop that allowed us to completely rethink our processes. We managed to fully integrate the CAD drawings from design to machining to final processing. This makes all our processes more straightforward and as a result can be easily automated. We're very pleased with the overall collaboration with Tebis, who has always been readily available to support us when we have any questions or issues.